Windows Sandbox feature in Windows 11. So without further delays, let's start this video. So for the people who doesn't know what is Windows Sandbox, so Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run the applications in isolation, which means software installed inside the Windows Sandbox environment remains sandbox and runs separately from the host machine. A sandbox is temporary, which means after it is closed, all the softwares and files in it are deleted. So to turn on the Windows Sandbox feature, you need to make sure that the virtualization option is enabled. So to check that, you need to open Task Manager, which you can do by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape button. So once your Task Manager is open, you need to go to the Performance tab and click on CPU. So here you need to make sure that the virtualization option is enabled. So once your virtualization option is enabled, you can close your Task Manager. To turn on the Sandbox feature, you need to click on the search icon and search for turn Windows features on or off. So once you have clicked in it, a small pop-up will appear over here. So you just need to scroll it down until you see the Windows Sandbox. So once you get it, you just need to tick it and click OK. So it will search for some required files and download it. You just need to wait for some time.
2000 years later.
So finally, after it is complete, you just need to click on the Restart Now button to finish your PC installing the files. So once you click on Restart, you will be able to use the Windows Sandbox. So once you have restarted your computer, you just need to click on the search icon here and search for Sandbox. So once you get it, you just need to right click on it and run it as administrator. You can also do it from here. So once you click on it, it will just take some time to load and it will open up. So once it is loaded up, you can use it as your normal PC, but to use it in full screen mode, you can click on this icon over here. So you can see this bar appears at the top of your screen. So you can pin this and unpin this from here. So once you unpin this, it will just go after some time. So to close this or minimize this, you just need to take your pointer to the top of the screen and pin or unpin this bar, close or minimize this, also restore it. So you can pin this over here, and to check your connection, you just need to click it. As you can see, your connection quality is good. So you just need to click on OK, and to minimize, you can click on the minimize button. And to open it back again, you can just simply click on it. So you can download different apps in it which you do not want to download in your real PC. So once you close your Windows Sandbox, all the data in it are lost, so do not store the important data in it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and learn something from it. Thank you.